To PowerBI tutorial. Today we will learn what is direct query mode in Power BI. Firstly, we will understand definition of direct query mode, and after that we will move to practical part. So direct query in Power BI is a data connectivity mode, allows you to direct connection with live database. Direct query does not load or copy data into Power BI model because data directly came from data source. When you click or interact with any visualization, due to direct connection mode, queries are directly hit to database and you will get the updated data into visualization. So there is no need of refresh the data. Sometimes you will see some strange behavior of direct query at Power BI desktop level. Sometimes it will show you updated data in visuals and sometimes not. It happens due to data cache at desktop level. When you publish report to cloud, then you don't need to refresh manually and you will not face this issue. So let's see. This is my Power BI report page. Go to Home tab and click to Get Data and then click to SQL Server. Now I need SQL Server name. So go to SQL Server. Using select @ server name, you will get your SQL Server name. See, this is my SQL Server name, or you can see here. Copy your SQL Server name, paste here. Then I need database name. Adventure Work 2017 is my database name. Paste here. Data connectivity mode will be direct query. Select direct query and then click to advanced option. Here I will paste my SQL query. See, right now I have 4 records, so I am using this select query. Paste here, then click to OK. It will take few minutes according to your data length. See, it is showing me my data preview. Right now I have very less records, so that's why it is showing all records. But if you have data in thousands, then it will show you top 50 records or top 100 records. Okay, then click to load. Data loaded successfully under field section. Then right click to dataset name and rename it. See, I changed my dataset name COVID-19, and just over the dataset name it will show you all description about your storage mode and your source type. See, name COVID-19, this is my dataset name. Storage mode direct query, source type SQL Server database, and my source name SQL Server name is desktop something, and Adventure Works 2017 is my database name. Fine, we will take some visuals and see direct query fetching latest data from database or not when we will interact with visuals. Okay, so for this we will take two visuals. So firstly I will take stack column chart, see, and here I will drag country in axis and cases in value sections. See, in my database I have 4 countries: UK, France, Italy and Spain. Okay, and now I will take some other visual. Suppose I take funnel chart and drag country in group section and cases in value section. Fine. See, so it is showing me in UK I have 10,000 something cases, in France I have 2k something cases, and in Italy same 2000, and in Spain 1k. Okay, fine. Now I need one slicer. I take one slicer from here. This is slicer, and here I drag country. I want to filter data according to country. Okay, now I convert this list slicer to drop down. So you just click this down arrow icon and select drop down from here. See, and now I will change some settings of my slicer. Just click to format tab and go to selection control, and from here I allows slicer to select all option. If you see here, now I can select all visuals. So if I select France, it will show me France data. Then I select Italy, it will show me Italy data. Then Spain, okay, and I can select all as well. Fine. So as you see here, right now I have three visuals. One is slicer, then stack column chart, and then funnel chart, right? So guys, if I interact with visual, see, suppose I click to UK. So as you see here, in second chart, UK is highlighted, okay? And when I click France, then France is highlighted in second visuals. And now in second visuals, I click to Italy, see. So in first visual, Italy is highlighted, right? So that is called interaction. So according to direct query definition, when we interact with visuals, then Power BI query, or you can say visuals query, directly hit to database and you will get updated counts. Okay. Right now in UK cases is 10,000. Okay. So from backend, I will change UK count. See, I open table in edit mode and now I'm going to change UK count 10,000 to 5,000, right? And now I'm going to select, see, my UK count has been changed 5,000. Now we will check in report when we click any visuals and when we interaction between any visuals, we will get updated data or not for UK. Okay. So now I'm clicking here France and now I'm over the UK. See, still it is showing me 10,000. Okay. Now I'm clicking to France. Still it is showing me 10,000. See, it is not showing me any latest data 10,000. But when I select individual record from here, it is showing me 5,000. So this is some strange behavior of direct query. Sometimes it is showing when I select particular record, so it is showing me updated count, and when I select all, it is showing me 10,000. So guys, somewhere it happens due to cache issue at desktop level. But if you want to get latest record at desktop level, you just click to refresh and it will fetch latest record from your database and you will get updated count. See, okay. But when you publish this report to cloud, you don't need to refresh manually, okay, and you will not see this issue. But in somewhere desktop level, you will face this issue. Now I'm changing Italy count, and I changed Italy counts 2000 to 10,000. Okay, fine. See, now I change Italy count from 10,000 to 2000 to 10,000, and now go to report and select Italy. See, it is showing me 10,000 latest count, and earlier it was 2000. See, it is showing me 2000, but when I am searching particular Italy, then it is showing me 10,000. But when I am searching particular records from visuals, so in that case, visuals query directly hit to database, or I am getting latest result from database. See, I select Italy, I am getting Italy count is 10,000, but at all level, I am getting Italy count is 2000. Okay guys, so hope you clear what is direct query, and at desktop level somewhere you will face some updated data issue, but when you publish this report to cloud, in that case you will not face this issue. Okay, thank you guys.